Welcome to Transpack, which specialized in clear plastic box, blister packaging, fraud clamshell, and macaron container more than 16 years. And our packaging boxes are widely used in gifts, food, toys, cosmetics, clothing, and electronics products. We are proud to deliver our clear box over 40 countries like America, Australia, United Kingdom, Canada, and Europe. Transpack provides a one-stop solution to meet your requirements: complete design, pre-press proofing, printing services, die cutting, and shipping options. Our production capacity is over 200,000 pieces per day with over 8 production lines. It effectively helps us to provide the clear boxes with competitive price in short time. As you know, the clear PVC boxes make the products more attractive. People would like to buy it which they can see through. Do you want to distinguish your brand? Start from making a special package here.